In this session, we will take a look at the variables and comments. Variable is a name given to a particular memory location where the data is stored. The data, for example, if you define a variable as x and if you assign the number 10, then 10 is the data which is located at some memory location, and that is referenced by a variable name called x. In Python, variables do not need declaration to reserve memory space. That means there is no need to declare the type of variable in order to reserve the memory space. Once you assign a value to a particular variable, that assigned value will define what type of variable that we have defined. For example, if x is equal to 10, then 10 will be of type integer or number. If you define x is equal to string value, which is hello, then x will be a string. Based on the value which is assigned to a particular variable, variable type will be decided dynamically. In Python, we don't assign values to variables, whereas Python gives the reference to an object to a variable. In Python, everything is an object. Okay, let us see how to declare a variable in Python. So let me comment this line out first. Okay, hash will be used to comment one line. I will define a variable called x and I'm going to assign value 10 to it, and then I'm going to print the value. Okay, click on run and the value will be printed as 10. Let us see the memory location of x. To print the memory location of x, we use id of x. Okay, and this is the memory location which is referenced. This is the memory location which contains this value and which is referenced by this variable name x. I will also print the type here. Now this is of type integer. Since Python is dynamically typed language, since we have assigned 10 to this particular variable, it has identified this variable is going to hold an integer based on the value which is assigned. Suppose say if I add hello to x, then if I rerun this program, this will print string. So this is of type string now. So based on the value which is assigned, it is decided what type of variable this will be, that is x will be. Now x contains hello, which is stored at this memory location, and it is of type string. Okay, so now I'm going to make use of the same variable. I'm going to change the variable type to string type, and now I'm going to print the same address and type. Okay, so let us print this. At any stage we can change the type of the variable. So here it is storing integer value. Here the same variable is holding hello, which is a string. If you want to initialize multiple values, Python will allow you to do that by using, say for example, a comma b comma c. So these are three different variables which I'm going to assign or initialize values to: 10, 15 and 20. So print A, print B, print C. Okay, let me comment this out. And print this. So if you want to assign only one value to a particular variable, for example, A is equal to B is equal to C is equal to Python, for example, then we can also do that by using A is equal to B is equal to C. Now I'm going to print ABC here. So let me run this program. Now A will also contain Python, B will also contain, and C will also contain Python. Let us look at comments now. Suppose say I want to put a comment here by saying multiple variable initialization. So this is a line which is non-executable line which gives some information about the line below, which is also called a comment. The comment starts with hash. So this is a single line comment. So ABC is an executable statement. Here we can also have comment. Here ABC is an executable statement. So here also we can have comment here. So either you can have it in a line or followed by an executable statement. In both cases, it should start with hash. So this is a single line comment. If you have multi-line comment, then you can do that by using 3 double quotes. 1, 2, 3. So this will be a multi-line comment. So this will be a multi-line comment, and this multi-line comment can also be done by using, for example, hash. Okay, even though this is a multi-line comment, so you will have this symbol at each line, which is hash symbol at the beginning. Okay, so you can either do it this way or this way. As I said, this comment is a non-executable statement, so this will not get executed. So let me execute this again, and we get the same output. The comments are used for readability purpose. The comments will give some information about the program. For any program, readability or description about that program is very important. So that can be provided by using a comment.